Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Dynasty Lachey. If you are new, welcome. If you are a day one to the FITFAM, hello my loves. Hello FITFAM. So I'm back. I know it's been a minute, but I needed to do a reset, a restart, you guys, and I just wanted to figure out me, right? If that makes sense. Like, I had a lot to figure out, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. So for the new ones here on this channel, I am here to help bring out the inner confidence, as well as bring different knowledge to you as far as fitness, lifestyle, and healthy eating habits. So yeah, y'all, I don't want to like drag this on, but I'm very happy to see you guys. I'm very, very happy to see you guys. I actually miss you guys a lot. Like, I really do. But here on this channel, you guys, we will be talking about different simple and effective machines that kind of helped me gain confidence to work my way around the gym, right? And also to help me, you know, get out of the scared phase of using different machines and using the dumbbell area and the Smith machine and the benches and stuff like that. So we're going to be talking about those different machines throughout the channel. But today we are focusing on lower body. Specifically, the muscle group that I'm going to be targeting is the glutes and hamstrings. So I'm gonna have one machine for the glutes and one machine for the hamstrings that has helped me see a significant growth in growing my glutes as well as my hamstrings. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. But first I'm gonna go to work, but you guys will be seeing me in about a second. Okay, so see you.
Okay, fam, so we are now at the gym, and this is one of the machines, the first machine that I use for my glutes to help me gain confidence to, like, you know, move around to like different sections of the gym and stuff like that. By the way, this is the time, and we got here around 6, but I wanted to do like my normal workout routine. And then when I got to, of course, this machine, I just wanted to show you guys, this is the machine. It is a hip abduction, okay? This works on the outer glute as well as, I would say, it works the minimus, the maximus, and the, what is the other one? It works all of the muscle groups, in my opinion. And this is a machine that helps me grow my glutes. So what we're gonna do, this is what we're gonna do, right? So for me, my heaviest weight is, we're gonna go 130. That's my heaviest weight right now. You guys know I'm working my way back up to like 150, 160, okay? And actually, I want to do it to 250. And that's what we're going to do. 260, actually. But, okay, so we're going to start at 130. This is my heaviest. We're going to do 3 sets of the, I'm going to say 12, yes? And then when we get to the, like, easier weight, usually it's gonna be like 85. That's easy for me. Then we're gonna pause at the top of the exercise, if that makes sense. But so this is the machine. Okay, this is the beginning machine that I started with. And since we're working glute, you want to bend forward because you want to feel it specifically in your glutes, not your hamstrings, not your quads, not your calves, but your glutes. So I'm gonna lean forward. I don't know how many reps I could, but I guess we're gonna do 15. So also, you guys want to make sure that your feet is turned outwards, because if it's straight, you're gonna feel it like in your quads too. And you really want to focus on the glutes, so you want to have your feet turned out. You know, not too much, but just enough. Okay, so now we're moving on to our second set, you guys. My ass is hurting. Okay, let's go.
Now everybody better pay up. Elevator on my way up. Pay off that, put her feet up. Y'all need that new Bentley truck. They just mad they wanna be us. Pull out the windows, put on the gas.
Another thing, you guys notice that my chin is tucked in. For me, that kind of helps me focus more on keeping the tension on my glutes and not going anywhere else. So that's why you guys see me with my chin tucked in. It's like an example. It's like when you're doing hip thrust and you have to tuck your hips, right? Keep your hips tucked. It's the same thing with your chin. I don't know, it just helps me a lot. So, okay, this is the last set for the 130. I'm struggling through this, but we're gonna do it.
Pay up. Tryna get rich, don't wanna be famous. With my day ones, 75 cents to catch that bus. Came up. Got my check and did not finesse. Say I got next, got right now, so I guess I'll just kick my feet up. Smoking all this weed I need.
Okay, so we're gonna move on to the lighter weight. And we're gonna do, like I said, 85. And so now we're gonna pause at the top of the exercise. So just make sure that the tension, we keep that tension so that the muscles can breathe. And if they care, we're good. Okay? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 3 sets until failure. So let's go.
Sometimes I be ain't no way that I'm gonna change up. Be like this. Now everybody better pay up. And you used to tell me, boy, don't look back. Now it's 96, I'm bumping out cash. She was up in church at Hallelujah. Now I'm just getting scared, Freddy Krueger.
I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted, you guys, but I got 2 more sets. Let's just get this shit over with. I'm not no pussy, okay, you guys? I'm not a pussy. I'm not a pussy. Let's go.
Wanna touch my nookie, baby, touch me right there. Make me lose my mind, baby, touch me right there. Party over here, ain't shit over there.
See how I'm drilling them, baby. This boss back, bitch, I'm killing them crazy. We off the meat rack sick, I'm spilling the gravy. Got every club packed thick, creating a frenzy. I be the latest, greatest, all you niggas fugazi. Bugatti off, white tan, interior paisley. See my swagger sharp like daggers,
Okay, we got one more set, and then we're gonna move on to hamstrings, and I'm gonna show you guys the exercise that I use to help with my hamstrings as well. So it's the last set. This is the last set. This the last. Okay.
Touch me right there. Wanna taste my nookie, baby, touch me right there. Make me lose my mind, baby, touch me right there. Party over here, ain't shit over there.
See, it don't matter what you're doing over there. See, we get it poppin'. That's how we do it over here. That's how we toss bottles. That's how we do it over here. Check it. Floss model. That's how we do it over here. Listen, rev throttle. That's how we do it over here. Check it. Ice.
Okay, so Sam, so the next machine is seated hamstring curls. Y'all, this machine helped me grow my freaking hamstrings. Cause y'all, when I first started, I didn't have shit. Okay, y'all, listen. Okay, don't get on my ass, but we got a substitute, and we're gonna use the leg extension to substitute because seated curls is broken for some reason, and they don't have a sign up there. So I'm gonna show you guys another way. Right? Okay, so we're gonna use this. Alright, this is a substitution, okay? Because the speed of hamstring curl is not working for some reason. And they don't have a sign, which is weird. But, okay. It's fine. So, it's okay, y'all. Alright, so we're gonna do. Is this 40? Can I do 40? Fuck no. So we're gonna do 20, 25. We're gonna do 3 sets of 15. Okay? So basically, instead of sitting, we're just gonna face the same direction. Put your legs in between it and adjust it the way you know to. And basically, you're just gonna go. Hold on, why the fuck? Man, that's why this shit heavy as fuck. Okay. There we go. 1. Next leg. You guys, they really don't have a fucking sign on the seated hamstring curls. That sucks. I might have to.
Around here we fucking collars. Around here we get them dollars. Every girl I see that look right like me just gotta holler. Let's get it all about stacking up. Fall bigly, but we can back it up. Long as everybody get pumped when they drop in the club, start acting up. I represent the SODEFMOB. That's me, JD, right, JE. So please believe what I do ain't never been done. Ohio is where I'm from. I heard what you said and I saw what you do in y'all plans, but you don't want none.
My watch is like falling apart. My watch is like, come on, let's go home. But I got 2 more sets. Well, 1 more after this. Wait, yeah. Fuck. Alright, let's go. I'm not a bitch.
Hey you guys, so I am back at home. I got showered, I ate and everything, and now I am about to eat my strawberry chia pudding with blueberries and bananas. And you guys, while I'm eating this, I kind of just wanted to say thank you. I wanted to talk to you guys about, you know, just about my story. And speaking of my story, hold on you guys, let me take a bite. Let me see. Wow. Guys, this is really good. And I love the bananas mixed with it. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. I haven't had chia pudding in a long time. So. Okay, my love. So. This is what time it is. But I wanted to talk about, so I watch this YouTuber every time she posts, and she's a fitness influencer in my opinion, hence why I watch her a lot. I'm sorry, I don't like to talk with my mouth full. Y'all, this is really good. But, yeah, I watch her. And I love her videos. But she had an actual guest on her channel. And it was her best friend who she knew for years. I thought he was pretty cool. I thought he was chill, but for some reason, like spiritually, I was being pulled to like go look at his channel for some reason, like go look at his content and just, you know, just see what his content is about. I don't know exactly why, but I went to go look at his content and I was like really trying to figure him out. I'm like, what is his story? Like, what is his actual story? Like, why am I being spiritually pulled to watch, you know, his content? And I was watching his content. I'm like, okay, it's real cool. He's really chill. Like the first thought that I had. Been watching it on the female content creator, fitness content creator, or fitness influencer, whatever you guys want to call it. Yeah, I had the same thought. I'm like, oh, he's really cool. He's really chill, whatever. But as his video like went on, he started to talk about like his story as a child. And I'm going to show you guys who he is first. I just want you guys, I don't know if you can see his name. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see his name. But it says Nate B, by the way. That's his name. You know, he started talking. And when he was talking, I was still like, it's something about, like, I don't know what it is, but it's something about him. Like, why am I being pulled to watch his content, you know? And as I was watching, he started talking about, you know, what he has been through in life. And sorry guys, I'm trying not to get emotional. So yeah, he started to talk about like what he has been through in life as a child and just in life in general. And I was like, okay. And he just kept going on and on. And then he mentioned that his stepmother was killed. And he witnessed it. And that's when I was like, wow. Because at a young age, I also witnessed that happening to my mother as well. And I'm just like, it inspired me, you know? Like, I was like, wow, like, me and my brothers and sisters, we're not alone. Like, we're not the only people who have been through something like this. If you guys hear loud noises, it's fireworks. Yeah, the 4th is tomorrow. Okay. And they have an early start. But I was just so inspired because I'm like, the fact that he's able to talk to his viewers, his support system, his supporters or subscribers, whatever you guys want to call it. I call you guys my supporters though. And just open up about it. I was like, wow, like I can't do that. You know, I can't. But it inspired me to just talk about it a little bit. Again, you guys, I'm not fit to talk about that with you all because it's still very, I just can't. But I was like, wow, we have something in common, and it's not something good, it's something bad, but the fact that he's making something bad and turning it into something good, I was just like, wow, like, if he can do it, I can do it, you know? And it just inspired me because I'm like, wow, like I'm not the only one who has been through something like this or who has witnessed something like that, or, you know, and it. So yeah, you guys, that's kind of what I really wanted to talk about. I wanted to open up to you guys just a bit. I'll open up to you guys gradually, but I just, as far as with that subject, it's kind of hard, so I choose not to talk about it, especially with my subscribers or my supporters. Sorry y'all, but yeah, eventually I will, but right now it's enough. So yeah, you guys, I'm actually gonna finish this up and then head to bed. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys, like I truly did. And I can't wait to like make more content in the future and for you guys, and just create my dreams with you all, right? Live out my dreams with you all, because you guys are my supporters. Sorry y'all, I'm still a little emotional because that is something very sentimental, but I hope you guys, like I said, enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, I'll see you in my next